Hello guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. In this video, we shall be looking at how to solve this particular issue. There has been a critical error on your website. Now, this issue comes up a lot. I was building this website for this client. You can see Red Carpet Yachts. The Rent Yachts is a very good friend of mine, a brother. He's in Miami. And then all of a sudden, when I was about to add some stuff, I was about to install something, I got this error. There has been a critical error on your website. Now, this is the main website. This is what it's supposed to look like. Now you can't see here, there's supposed to be a video here. I don't know if that's the video. I don't know what is causing this, but most often than not, this is caused by plugins. Maybe plugins, or you install a theme that two of them are clashing with each other. Some plugins and some themes are not compatible. Some two plugins are not compatible. This is what WordPress has to say about this. It's loading. My internet connection is a bit slow today. So you can see it. You can't do anything. Try to go to the my admin page, wp-admin, and it's going to show you the same thing. So WordPress has a number of issues. This white screen up there, that's something else. Internal server error, all of these and all of these. Now, the fix I'm going to give you is going to be able to solve most of these issues. So if you have the white screen, it's mostly called white screen of death, or you have internal server error establishing database connection, fail to auto upgrade, all of that. This fix I'm going to give you can solve most of these. So because you can't go to the wp-admin dashboard, you can't be able to do anything. So they give you a lot of things here about MySQL, but for the average person, these things are too complex. What you simply need to do to fix this error is to come to your cPanel. Go to File Manager. Please be patient with me. The internet's a bit slow this morning. I don't know why. And then you come to Public HTML. This is it here. And then you come to WP Content. This is where all your content is it's residing, your plugins, your themes, and every other thing. And then you can come to plugins. Okay, so now you see these are the themes you have, but you don't know which of these themes or which of these plugins. These are your plugins. You don't know which of these plugins is causing the issue. So I'll go back up one level, and then what I'll simply do is that I'm going to rename this plugin folder. Let me just say plugin A. I'm going to rename the folder. So it's no longer, this WordPress connection is no longer going to be reading the plugin. So if one of those plugins is what was causing the issue, then you will see that since it's been deactivated, because this plugins A is different from plugins, which is what is supposed to be called. So your WordPress database is no longer going to be reading it. So it shows me that, well, even though I've changed the name of the plugins, the plugin is not really the issue. So I'm going to come and try again. Themes. I'm going to rename themes. I'll put -E, and then I'll rename the file. Okay, so I'll come now, and then I'll reload this. Now you now see it's taking me to, it's showing a white screen now, which shows the issue was with one of the themes. I can now go to my dashboard. You see this? I'm coming here now. Okay, you see? So it shows me that the issue was one of these themes. One of the themes that I have here. So when I come now here, you see all the plugins have been deactivated. Even the themes too have been deactivated. So what I need to go ahead and do right now is that I will come and rename these plugins. I'll rename these plugins. I'll change the name, and then when I come now to plugins, okay, you can see, so this is it here. I can just go ahead now and activate all my themes back, reactivate all my themes, all my plugins rather. So while this is reactivating, you have basically fixed it. You can now go back to your themes and reinstall the theme that you desire. I was using Elementor. You can go and reactivate the theme, whichever theme you desire. So that is basically how to fix that issue. I can come now to themes, and then I can go ahead and reactivate the theme that I want. So that is basically how to go about it. So God bless you. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and hit on the notification bell so that when I click do tutorials like this, you'll be the first to see them. Thank you.